In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart in Lucidchart. This is a fantastic tool for visualizing the structure of your organization, making it easier to plan, manage, and strategize. Let's seamlessly walk through creating one step by step, ensuring you feel confident navigating this process. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Lucidchart account. Once you're all set, go over to the home page of your Lucidchart dashboard. Here, you'll find an array of options, but what you need to do right now is to prepare for creating something new. So, let's click on the New button. This is going to bring you a variety of tools and options to start fresh with a new document. Next, as the menu expands, hover your mouse over the Lucidchart option. This is where you initiate the creation of various diagrams and charts that Lucidchart offers. But we want to focus on using the templates to make your work more efficient. So, click on the option to Create from Template. Utilizing templates is a fantastic way to streamline the process, saving you time and effort while providing a professional starting point. Once there, you're presented with numerous templates that Lucidchart provides. For now, since we are creating an org chart, you'll want to locate the search bar and type in Organization Chart. This nifty search feature allows you to cut through the noise and zoom in on exactly what you need without having to sift through unrelated options. Select the template that best suits your needs by clicking on it. There are a variety of designs to choose from, so feel free to preview a few to match your organization's style or requirements. Once you've settled on a choice, proceed by clicking the Use Template button to bring it into your workspace. Now, with the template open in your dashboard, you may be ready to start customizing it. If you wish to edit the chart, simply click on it. You'll notice several options pop up on the right side of your screen. Head over to the Data section, which is crucial for modifying the org chart entries like names and roles. For added emphasis, you can highlight text or specific sections that need extra attention or variation in the visualization. This highlighting tool is essential for distinguishing different hierarchical levels or key personnel. Furthermore, by clicking on employee fields, you're able to view and change various details about each member on the chart. Should you need to update any data like changing a name or swapping out an image for any particular person, you're able to do so easily here. Following these steps should have you well on your way to creating a crisp, clear, and professional organizational chart with ease using Lucidchart. Happy charting!